Hi everyone, welcome to another Web-Sta web design and e-marketing TechHUB tutorial. In this video, I'm going to cover off on two things. Firstly, how to reorder a product and how to reorder them within a category. So sometimes what happens is when you get a bigger website or a bigger WooCommerce website, you start to have a fair few products. So this particular one has 373 items / products in their WordPress WooCommerce website. So what we want to do is filter by the category and just reorder the products at a category level so that you're not having to go through and scroll through so many products. So what we want to do here, there's this section here where we can filter. So we actually go select a category and pick a category. So for example, we can go, the top one here is 12 volt outlets, and then click on filter. And that's a really handy tip if you have other category specific edits that you want to make. And see, now we've only just got 3 products that we can play with. What we can do now is click on this link here. It says sorting. It's a shame it's a little more obvious, but it's here. So now when we hover over the product, you can see the cursor's turned into crosshairs, and we literally just drag and drop it into whichever order we wish. So for example, if we wanted to order our products in alphabetical order or by capacity, if there's a small up to a larger capacity product, we can do it in order. If there's within a category, you might have multiple brands and you might want to group your brands together, and the type of photo that you've got with those products could be together so it looks a bit tidier on the screen. You can use this drag and drop feature to do that. And that's pretty much it. Once you do that change, there's nothing else to click apply or save. It automatically does that and applies that change to your WooCommerce shopping cart right then and there. And if you want to undo it, you just got to drag it back to where it was before. That's it. If you found this video helpful in any way, please do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you do require any assistance with your web design, your content, your hosting, or your digital marketing, please do give us a call or have us call you. All of our links to connect are in the description below. At Web-Sta, we build your website, you build your business. Bye for now.